Hey, I still remember the first time I hit play on the HD6 and felt the room open up around me. This is for the person who's listened to their favorite tracks and thought, there's more here than what I'm hearing. For the one who notices when instruments lack body, when vocals feel distant, when albums you love don't sound quite right. Before anything else, check the current price and stock. Speakers like this don't linger in that sweet spot for long. You know that moment your old setup started feeling flat? Not broken, just uninspiring. That tiny disconnect between what you expected and what you actually heard? That was the moment you knew you'd outgrown compromise. You deserved clarity and depth, not just volume. The first time I paired the HD6 to my source and hit play, it wasn't just louder, it was alive. The Bluetooth connection was quick and stable, and when aptX HD kicked in, everything felt immediate, like the music was right there with me, not trapped behind glass. Once you feel that full, nuanced sound unfurl around you, anything mediocre feels like a wall between you and the music. Imagine sitting down with your favorite record and hearing details you never knew were there, the breath of a singer before a verse, the subtle texture of a guitar string pluck, the low end that doesn't rumble, it defines. These aren't just speakers that play sound, they reveal it. You stop listening through them and just listen, fully. And if you're hesitating, thinking maybe something cheaper might do the job, notice this: every time you compare, you keep circling back to what actually feels real. That's because you know the frustration of compressed, lifeless audio. You know the subtle itch that something's missing. That's loss aversion reminding you exactly what you don't want to feel again. Here's one thing most people don't expect until they live with it: the way these speakers fill a room without strain. They stay composed even when you raise the level, no harshness, no strain, just wide, open sound. That calm confidence in performance makes every listen feel intentional. You don't hope for emotion, you feel it. You hear rich tonal balance, you sense depth in every track, you rediscover nuance you missed, you enjoy clean, effortless power, you take pride in how good it sounds. It's not bulky or awkward, it's not confusing to connect. At some point, endless gear comparisons just slow you down. You've lived with underwhelming sound long enough to know what real performance feels like. You know the difference between background audio and immersive audio because you've lived with both. Once you experience that emotional connection between you and your music, delaying it only feels like postponing joy you already knew you wanted. So if you're ready to stop settling for thin, lifeless sound and step into music that feels present, check that price, check the availability, and make the call. HD6 isn't just another pair of speakers, it's the sound your room was waiting for.